Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Acura ADX, a highly anticipated addition to Acura's SUV lineup. Whether you're a fan of luxury, performance, or practicality, this crossover promises a blend of all three. Let's break down everything you need to know about its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Acura ADX follows the brand's signature design philosophy with sharp, aggressive lines and a bold front fascia. The diamond pentagon grille sits prominently up front, flanked by jewel-eye LED headlights that offer excellent visibility and a distinct look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic bodywork give it a sporty yet refined appearance. The side profile is sleek, featuring a sloping roofline and available 19-inch alloy wheels that add to its dynamic stance. Moving to the rear, the ADX sports LED taillights that integrate seamlessly into the tailgate, along with dual exhaust outlets for a performance-inspired touch. Acura has also incorporated a hands-free power liftgate for added convenience. Stepping inside, the Acura ADX delivers a premium cabin packed with technology and high-quality materials. Soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and available wood or aluminum trim create an upscale feel. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Acura's True Touchpad interface makes navigation smooth, and the premium L Studio 3D sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Comfort is a priority, with heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo area offers generous storage space, which can be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Under the hood, the 2025 Acura ADX is expected to offer a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Acura's super handling all-wheel drive AWD system enhances traction and cornering performance, making it a capable SUV for various driving conditions. For those looking for efficiency, a hybrid variant could also be in the works, providing a balance between power and fuel economy. The ADX delivers a smooth and responsive drive, with adaptive suspension ensuring comfort even on rough roads. Multiple drive modes, including Sport, Comfort, and Snow, allow customization to suit different driving preferences. When it comes to pricing, the Acura ADX is positioned competitively in the luxury compact SUV segment. The base model is expected to start around $42,000, with higher trims and added features pushing the price closer to $50,000. Optional packages, such as the A-Spec or Advanced package, bring additional styling elements, upgraded technology, and enhanced driver assistance features. Standard safety features include AcuraWatch, which offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. Overall, the 2025 Acura ADX is a strong contender in its class, combining luxury, technology, and performance into one sleek package. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with premium comfort or an SUV with a sporty edge, the ADX delivers. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new Acura model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.